Hi, today you will learn how to mask in Kdenlive. So for example, we need to add any video to our project, and after that we need to drag and drop it to the timeline. Then we need to click on our video, and after that we need to go to Effects tab. Now on search field I recommend you to type mask, and here we have different mask effects which you can apply to your video. I recommend you to use rotoscoping mask, so we need to drag and drop this effect to our video. And after that, you need to draw a shape by points where you want to implement the mask, yeah? So for example, I will click here, I will click here, 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 and maybe here. And after that, I press enter button to create a mask. And how you see, it has been successfully created here. So now, for example, we can modify the colors here. So I type here SMIC, and I select here from the color and image correction settings, SMIC adjust. We need to drag and drop this effect to our video. And for example, we can modify the reds, yellow, green, we can increase cyans, blues, we can modify magnetas, we can increase the whites, and I will change maybe these values here, yeah? How you see, we have created here a mask. So now we need to apply this mask to our video. So we need to type here mask apply, and we need to drag and drop this effect to our video. After that, mask will be applied to our video. So now if you will play your video, you will see here the mask, yeah? So how you see it really works. If I helped you to create this effect, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.